Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to unpin an app on Android quickly and easily. If an app is locked to your screen and you want to get back to your home screen, this guide will help you do it step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1, make sure the app is pinned and locked to the screen by tapping the Recent Apps key, selecting the app and choosing Pin this app, then tap Got it. This ensures the app is currently locked on your screen. Step 2, use the required gesture for your device to unpin the app, such as swiping up and holding from the bottom of the screen. Step 3, continue the gesture until the app is unpinned and you see your home screen. This confirms that the app is no longer locked and you can access other apps freely. Step 4, unlock your phone if necessary to access the home screen. This step ensures you can fully navigate your device after unpinning the app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tips.